Hi guys, I'm back home. I may or may not be tipsy. I've got hiccups. Yes, I have hiccups. Instant fur. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Put this in, put this in, put this in. Oh, guys. I'm so hungry. So hungry. I know some of you guys say you've been missing him. Oh, you're such a good boy, aren't you? Yeah, yes, you are. Oh, yeah. I went to a day party with my friend. It was really good. The music was really good. I can only do day parties because after midnight, it is time for bed for me. 12 o'clock is my curfew. Okay, I'm gonna pause this, wait for this to get ready. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, whoops. Oh my goodness. How was your Sunday, guys?